Hello friends and students, welcome to TP Chennai. Happy morning ma. Today's vocabulary: rehash, restate, reuse, change, rephrase. So a book, film, pieces of music, etc. that is very similar to previous ones and has no new idea or improvements. Reuse of old ideas or material without a significant changes, that is what we call it as a rehash. So restate, reuse, change, rephrase, rework, rewrite, repeat, state differently, say again, reiterate, reprocess, recycle. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: deny, refuse, gain, advance, stay in place. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: his new book is just a rehash of his previous ones. Clear? Unforeseen, unpredicted, unforeseen, not anticipated, not expected. So that is what we call it as unforeseen. I don't think so I need to give any explanation for that one. Synonyms: unexpected, unplanned, sudden, startling, uncalculated, accidental. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: expected, predictable, predicted, foreseen. This is unforeseen, foreseen, expected. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: the result was absolutely unforeseen. Unless there are unforeseen problems, the course should be finished in 3 months time. Unless there are unforeseen problems, the course should be finished in 3 months time. One more example can be given: sport, display, exhibit, show, game, fun. All type of physical activity that people do to keep health or fit for enjoyment, that is what we call it as sport. Even we can say a game or activity requiring physical activity that is done as per rules, that is done as per rules, that is what we call it as sport. Synonyms: exhibit, show, game, fun, play in a lively, energetic way, recreation, pleasure, action, pastime, amusement, exercise. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: hide, sadness, unhappiness, seriousness, occasion. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: she used to play lot of sport when she was younger. She used to play lot of sport when she was younger. Clear? Next one: restive, impatient, fractious, restless, agitated, unable to remain still or silent, or unable to remain still, silent or submissive, unwilling to be controlled or be patient. So restless people, restless, that is what we call it as restive. Synonyms: fractious, restless, agitated, unruly, tense, recalcitrant, perverse, unyielding, uneasy. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: easygoing, relaxed, patient, obedient, calm. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: why are you getting so restive person? Why are you getting so restive person? Clear? Naughty, troublesome. I don't think so I can give any explanation, right? So naughty means troublesome, mystifying, perplexing, full of knots. Full of knots, it's a difficult to open, right? So extremely difficult or complex, that is what we call it as naughty. Any other synonyms? Mystifying, perplexing, rough, rugged, puzzling, hard, difficult, complex, tricky, complicated, intricate, baffling. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: easy, facile, smooth, simple, uncomplicated, untroublesome. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: the new team faces some naughty problems. The new team faces some naughty problems. Next one: knave, fraud, miscreant, rogue, a dishonest, unscrupulous man, cannot be trusted. So such a type of people we call it as a knave, a dishonest, unscrupulous man or cannot be trusted. So such people we call it as knave. Synonyms: miscreant, rogue, scoundrel, scamp, villain, reprobate, low life, blackguard, swindler. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: hero, angel. Example: Rana is known as a notorious knave of this area. Ma, you must be very careful using this word notorious. What is the meaning of notorious? Famous. That's right only, but it should be used in the negative context, not in a positive context. So notorious should be used in a negative context. So notorious, famous, well known, typically for a bad quality or deed. So that is where we need to use notorious. Dawood Ibrahim is a notorious gangster. So like that only we need to use, not for positive ones. That one you need to remember. So Rana is known as a notorious knave of this area. Ludicrous, absurd, bizarre, comical, so foolish, unreasonable. So all these words we can say regarding ludicrous: silly, stupid, farcical, foolish, funny, odd, preposterous. All these words can be related to synonyms: ludicrous, absurd, foolish. Antonyms: normal, ordinary, common, familiar, sensible, serious, logical. Who thinks logical? So those are all antonyms. Hope you got an idea. Example: John looks ludicrous in that suit. John looks ludicrous in that suit. You can imagine how the suit will be, right? Next one: kudos. Kudos. That is what kudos. Praise, esteem, applause, admiration or recognition that someone or something sets as a result of a particular action or achievement. Admiration or recognition that someone or something sets as a result of a particular action or achievement. That is what we call it as kudos or kudos. Praise and honor received for an achievement. Praise and honor received for an achievement. That is what we call it as kudos. Even we can say kudos. Synonyms: esteem, applause, prestige, regard, plaudits, honor, acclaim, glory, credit, eminence. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: dishonor, denunciation, blame, criticism, disregard, disrespect, lowliness, condemnation. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: women's organizations have been getting kudos for their service. Women's organizations have been getting kudos for their service. Jeopardy, put in danger, perilous. I think second session in English vocabulary we took up that perilous word. So their synonyms, in synonyms we got this jeopardy. Just go through once again. Jeopardy, in danger of being damaged or destroyed. That is what we call it as jeopardy. Synonyms: distress, endangerment, trouble, precarious, vulnerability, peril, hazard, risk, perilous. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: safety, security, assurance, protection, certain. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: the whole peace process is in jeopardy. One more example can be given: the lives of thousands of birds are in jeopardy as a result of the oil spill, because of oil spill. Revoke, repeal, to take back, withdraw, reverse, repeal, cancel, rescind, annul. Hope you remember this word. Officially cancelling. Officially cancelling. That is what the meaning of revoke. Again, one more time: repeal, cancel, rescind, annul, to take back, withdraw, reverse, repeal. So all these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: introduce, enact, begin, commence, undertake, engage, take on, start. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: his visa was revoked following a public protest against him. The man appealed and the sentence was revoked. One more example also can be given. Defer, submit, put off. Put off means postpone, procrastinate, postpone. Here two meanings will come if you use defer followed by to. Defer to means you are agreeing, so you do agree to that. Defer means postpone. So see here, defer, submit, put off. To agree to follow someone else's decision, that is what we call it as defer. Another one, to delay something until a later time, that is what we call it as defer. So yield, give away, postpone, stall, suspend, adjourn, prolong, procrastination, comply with. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: stand up to, disobey, continue, allow, carry out, expedite, maintain. All these words can be related to antonyms. He deferred to Ram's superior knowledge. He agreed to, he is accepting because he is a senior, or he is his guru, or he may be having more knowledge than him. That is the reason he is accepting. My bank has agreed to defer the repayments on my loan. Repayments on my loan, bank agreed to defer means agreed to postpone. So postpone for a further period. Even can we defer making a decision next week? Can we defer making a decision next week? That means can we postpone this decision next week? That also can be given as an example. So defer, if it is followed by to, defer to, you are accepting their opinion, someone else's opinion. And normally if you use defer, so my bank has agreed to defer the repayments on loan, so that means we are postponing. Contentious, controversial. I don't think I need to give any explanation. Controversial, likely to cause disagreement and argument. That is what we call it as a controversial. Synonyms: disputable, argumentative, bellicose, belligerent, quarrelsome, perverse, petulant, warlike, combative, factious. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: amiable, amicable, friendly, easygoing, cordial, quiet, calm, relaxed, kind-hearted. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: we had to deal with a contentious issue, controversial issue. She has some very contentious views. She has some very contentious views on present education system. Clear? That's end of our today's session. Thank you very much for joining. We will meet tomorrow. Have a great day.